Have you ever squeezed out way too much hand cream? It's a common mishap. You press the pump, and suddenly, a mountain of cream is in your palm. Don't worry, we've all been there. It's one of those little life moments we can all relate to and laugh about. That big dollop seems like a good idea at the time, right? But then reality sets in. You're left rubbing it in endlessly, wondering where it all went wrong. Your hands feel greasy, and the cream just won't absorb. We love soft, smooth hands. It's a small luxury that makes a big difference in our daily lives. But sometimes our enthusiasm gets the better of us. We get carried away, thinking more is better. Let's discover the joy of using hand cream efficiently. By using just the right amount, we can achieve the perfect balance of moisture without the mess. Imagine this. You slather on a thick layer of hand cream, hoping for super soft skin. You think, the more the better, right? But instead, you're left with a greasy mess. Your hands feel slippery, and you can't even hold onto your phone. Your skin can't absorb it all. The excess cream just sits on the surface, making your hands feel sticky. This can clog pores, leading to breakouts and irritation. Using too much hand cream is like overwatering a plant. Its roots can't breathe, and it starts to rot. Just like a plant needs the right amount of water, our skin needs the right amount of moisture. Overusing hand cream isn't just bad for your skin, it's also heavy on your wallet. So, what's the solution? Use just the right amount. A pea-sized amount is usually enough. Massage it in well, allowing your skin to fully absorb the moisture. Remember, when it comes to skincare, less is often more. Your skin and the planet will thank you. So, how much hand cream is just right? Think of it like Goldilocks tasting porridge. Not too much, not too little, but just right. A pea-sized amount is usually perfect for both hands. Start small and add more if needed. Remember, it's easier to add a little more than to deal with an overly greasy situation. Your skin will thank you. Pay attention to your skin's needs. In drier weather, you might need a tad more. In humid weather, a little less will do the trick. Listen to your skin. It will tell you what it needs. Ready for some fun hand cream hacks? Here's a simple yet effective one. Warm up your hand cream before applying. Rubbing your hands together generates warmth, helping the cream absorb better and preventing that sticky feeling. Another tip, don't neglect your cuticles. They need love too. After applying hand cream, gently massage your cuticles to keep them soft and hydrated. Remember those cotton gloves? Apply a generous amount of hand cream before bed and slip on those gloves. Wake up to incredibly soft and smooth hands. It's like a mini spa treatment for your hands while you sleep. Double duty beyond the call of duty. In this section, we explore the surprising versatility of a common household item. Yes, we're talking about hand cream. This little tube of magic can do so much more than just moisturize your hands. Did you know your hand cream can multitask? Beyond keeping your hands soft, it can be a real game changer in your daily routine. Let's dive into some of its unexpected uses. For instance, you can use it to tame those pesky flyaways. Just a small amount can help you manage unruly hair, giving you a sleek look. Or if your eyebrows are looking wild, a dab of hand cream can smooth them down. This trick is handy when you're on the go. Just a tiny dab will do the trick. It's amazing how such a small amount can make a big difference, leaving you looking polished and put together. But that's not all. Have you ever run out of shaving cream? Hand cream can be a lifesaver. It can double as shaving cream, creating a smooth barrier on your skin. It helps the razor glide smoothly and protects your skin from irritation, allowing for a smoother shave and preventing razor burn. This is especially useful for sensitive skin. Remember those old leather shoes? Don't toss them out. Apply a small amount to the leather and buff it in. It conditions and adds shine, making the leather look refreshed and well-maintained. So next time you reach for your hand cream, remember, it's not just for your hands. Embrace the multitasking magic of hand cream. Wallet wonders, the financial perks of saving. Saving hand cream saves you money. It's that simple. That tube will last longer, meaning fewer trips to the store and more money in your pocket. Think of it as a mini financial victory every time you use just the right amount. Those savings might seem small at first, but they add up over time, just like compound interest. Imagine what you could do with those extra savings. Treat yourself to something nice, save up for a special occasion, or invest in your future. Every little bit counts. Love your planet. The environmental impact. Every little action we take can impact the environment. Even something as simple as using hand cream efficiently. Less waste means less demand for production, which translates to a smaller carbon footprint. Choosing hand creams with eco-friendly packaging, like recyclable tubes or jars, further reduces our environmental impact. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both us and the planet. Remember, we're all part of a larger ecosystem. Small changes in our daily routines can contribute to a healthier and more sustainable planet for ourselves and future generations. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to spreading the word about efficient hand cream use. Tell your friends, family, and colleagues about these simple tips and tricks. Imagine the collective impact if everyone used just a little less. We could save countless tubes from ending up in landfills and reduce the demand for excessive production. Let's start a movement towards mindful hand cream use. Together, we can make a difference. Changing our habits takes time and effort. Don't be too hard on yourself if you accidentally squeeze out too much hand cream. It happens to the best of us. The key is to be mindful and make a conscious effort to use less. Celebrate the small victories. Each time you use the right amount, you're one step closer to achieving your goal. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Every little step counts. Soft, smooth hands are a wonderful feeling, but achieving that doesn't require excessive amounts of hand cream. By using it efficiently, we can enjoy the benefits while being mindful of our wallets and the environment. Let's find joy in the simplicity of using just the right amount. It's a small change with a big impact. Remember, less is often more, especially when it comes to hand cream. Ready to join the movement for efficient hand cream use? Start by implementing these simple tips and tricks into your daily routine. Share them with your loved ones and encourage them to do the same. Together, we can make a difference, one pea-sized amount at a time. Let's spread the word and inspire others to embrace the joy of using hand cream efficiently.